of how unique we are. We are Filipinos, right? So we are talented. Filipinos are not afraid to show their talents because they want to entertain people. And that's why we, the so-called Kabataang Pinoy, are here not to impress but to express. And for you to know how talented the teens of today's generation are. So, here they are, the loved and talented and adorable housemates of Pinoy Big Brother 7G7.
Teka muna, katatapos mo lang isulat ang mga letra. Patugtugin ang plapa at kaskasin ang gitara. Kasama uli, pinagpapalawit kasama, eto na. Mauuna si Barbie, si Kenzo, kaming manood and just be happy. Magsama-sama lang, no more fuss, no need to war. Come on, everybody.
Before the cool time run out, I'll be giving it my best twist. Nothing's gonna stop me, divine convention. It's a good mindset.
Wala na kumakanta.
Learn some, but I won't
Sigline.
say no more. I'm yours.
Diba? Napakahusay, tara na tumayo at wag humandusay. Panoorin naman natin na dito na sikat. Kasama si Franco na magpapatunay ng
Hello, my only one. Just like
Sige,
the
ganda.
morning sun.
Kagaya parang nagpe-perform na
I knows your name. Hey, 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 hey. Know the good outweighs the bad, even on your worst days. Remember what I say? Hey, 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 hey. You'll be the man you always thought you could be.
una pa maharana. So you can now sit back and relax. Kasi naman eto na sila, si Camille, Zonia, Barbie, and Ilona.
You gave me a chance, I would take it. It's too short in the dark, but I'll make it. Knowing that in the heart you can't shake. When I win, there's no praise that matters.
Kinikilig ka na. So ano na pala, hindi ko
Sige, tuloy mo na.
halina tunghayan ay laag bayan. Huwag nang lubayan at sasayaw na yan. Parang nawala.
Bawal pencil. Thanks.
Yung ganun ding
Big Brother with Get Black. Oo nga.
Huh?
Big Brother with Get Black. Yung parang dito sa ano, diba?
Oo.
Ayun. Oo, okay. Black.
Ganun na lang lahat.
So you can't keep it?
Napakalambot ng bewang, tila guligema. O teka, ingat lang at baka kasumiplan. I love Franco, Kenzo at Barbie. Kakanta na ulit, but together we baby.
Baby, it's
Ay, sorry. Stay with me na.
Stay with me. Stay with me.
You want me. Kakanta na ulit, but together we baby.
Okay lang. Konti na yung seconds.
These are always but darling, yeah. That's what I was thinking on my.
Ko pagiging atleta, uunahin ko si Zona.
Yeah,
Sa swimming siya mahasa. Ako sa basketball, dribble muna bago ni Kenzo, baby kan. Mahilig sa soccer ball, sige, sipa lang. And you kick it to the goal. 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 You kick it to the goal.
For 50
before. Yung hindi yung ano natin nung una.
Ay, nung una.
If you can.
Diba?
Tama.
Yan, sakto-sakto.